A well-rounded workout program is critical to general health and well-being. It isn't simply about going to the gym and doing weights. It is about establishing a sustainable lifestyle that supports long-term health. A balanced workout regimen can help you maintain a healthy weight, lower your risk of chronic illnesses, and enhance your mental health. It's more than simply looking good. It's about feeling your best and having the energy to face daily obstacles. When you feel strong and healthy, it is simpler to do daily duties and enjoy life more completely. Exercise produces endorphins, which can improve your mood and make you feel more happy and energized throughout the day. Full-body workouts are extremely efficient in burning fat and building muscle. These workouts are intended to stimulate many muscle groups simultaneously, allowing you to burn more calories in less time. This makes them a fantastic alternative for anyone who wants to shed weight or gain muscle. These workouts stimulate numerous muscle groups at the same time, increasing calorie expenditure and boosting muscle growth. By training many muscles at once, you may raise the intensity of your workout and push your body in unexpected ways. This can lead to increased strength and endurance gains over time. By mixing a range of workouts that target different sections of your body, you may develop a well-rounded and effective training plan. This variation not only makes your exercises more interesting, but it also guarantees that you engage all of the key muscle groups. This can assist to avoid muscular imbalances and lower the chance of injury. This helps you get a leaner body while also increasing strength, power, and endurance. Full-body workouts can involve a combination of strength training, cardio, and flexibility exercises, resulting in a well-rounded level of fitness. This can help you become more resilient and better prepared to deal with physical problems in your everyday life. Full-body workouts are also time-saving, making them excellent for people with hectic schedules. In today's fast-paced world, finding time to exercise might be difficult. Full-body workouts provide a thorough workout in a shorter period of time, making it simpler to keep to your fitness plan. Instead of spending hours at the gym every week, you may obtain major benefits with a few well-planned workouts. This might provide you more time for other essential things in your life, such as spending time with family and friends, pursuing hobbies, or simply unwinding and recharging. Whether you're a seasoned athlete or just starting out in fitness, including full-body exercises into your program will help you achieve your objectives faster and live a better lifestyle. These routines are simply customizable to meet your fitness level and goals, making them accessible to everyone. With consistency and determination, you may create a stronger, healthier body while reaping the numerous advantages of a well-rounded workout regimen. Understanding the science of exercise is critical for developing a workout regimen that produces best outcomes. Exercise is more than just moving your body, it's also about learning how your body reacts to various sorts of physical exercise. This knowledge enables you to personalize your workouts to your individual goals, such as building muscle, losing fat, or improving general fitness. When you participate in physical exercise, your body goes through a sequence of physiological changes that result in greater muscle mass and lower body fat. These adaptations are the consequence of intricate metabolic processes that take place within your muscles and other tissues. For example, during exercise, your muscles use stored glycogen as energy, which might deplete these reserves. This depletion causes your body to adapt by boosting its ability to store and use glycogen more effectively in the future. Resistance exercise is very important in this process. It consists of workouts that force your muscles to contract against an external resistance, such as weights, resistance bands, or even your own body weight. This form of exercise is vital for increasing muscle strength and endurance. It also helps to increase bone density, which is essential for avoiding osteoporosis and other bone-related disorders. By working your muscles with weights or resistance bands, you cause small rips in the muscle fibers. These microscopic rips are not dangerous, rather, they are a normal component of the muscle-building process. When these fibers are broken, your body starts a healing process that includes the activation of satellite cells. These cells merge with injured muscle fibers, mending them and making them thicker and stronger in the process. Your body responds by mending and regenerating these fibers, making them stronger than before and causing muscular development. Also referred to as hypertrophy. This process is impacted by several things, including the intensity and volume of your exercises, your diet, and your rest and recuperation times. Adequate protein intake is especially crucial for muscle repair and development since proteins are the building blocks of muscular tissue. Furthermore, exercise promotes metabolism, which is the mechanism by which your body converts calories into energy. Different forms of exercise might have different impacts on your metabolic rate. For example, high-intensity interval training has been found to greatly increase metabolism, not just during the workout but also for hours afterwards. This condition is referred to as excess post-exercise oxygen consumption, or the afterburn effect. A faster metabolism means you burn more calories throughout the day, even at rest, which aids in fat reduction. This is why adding both resistance training and aerobic exercise into your program is so beneficial for weight loss. While strength training develops muscle mass, which raises your resting metabolic rate, aerobic exercise burns calories and improves heart health by combining the two. You create an environment that promotes both muscle building and fat loss. This balanced method ensures that you not only increase strength and endurance, but also improve your general health and fitness. Remember that consistency and progression are essential components of good training. Gradually increasing the intensity and diversity of your exercises will keep your body challenged and adaptable, resulting in long-term success in your fitness goals. The squat is generally regarded as the king of exercises due to its ability to target numerous muscular groups in the lower body at once. This exercise is a mainstay in many fitness programs, from beginners to elite athletes, due to its adaptability and efficacy. The squat is a crucial activity for building strength, increasing muscular growth, and improving overall fitness. This complex action primarily works the quadriceps, hamstrings, and glutes, which are among the biggest and most powerful muscles in the body. Squats can help you build a strong and balanced lower body, which is essential for athletic performance and daily activities. However, it also engages the core muscles, calves, and even the upper back to some degree. The core muscles, which include the abdominals and obliques, serve an important function in supporting the body during the squat, allowing you to maintain perfect form and avoid injury. The calves and upper back muscles are also involved in the action, providing extra support and stability for a solid squat. It is critical to focus on your form and technique. Excellent form not only increases the efficiency of the exercise, but also decreases the danger of injury. Stand with your feet slightly wider than shoulder width apart. Toes point somewhat outward. This posture offers a sturdy basis and a wider range of motion. Maintain a straight back, chest elevated, and core engaged. Engaging your core helps to preserve your spine and maintain balance during activity. Lower yourself by pulling your hips back and bending your knees, as if sitting back on a chair. This movement pattern ensures that the stress is appropriately distributed over the lower body muscles. Lower your thighs until they are parallel to the ground, or as low as your mobility permits. Listen to your body and don't push yourself too much. Return to the starting position by driving through your heels, especially if you are new to squatting. Squats are extremely effective for increasing lower body strength, power, and muscular hypertrophy by engaging the glutes and hamstrings. They may be performed with only your body weight or with additional resistance, such as dumbbells, barbells, or resistance bands, to increase the difficulty. They also promote core stability and mobility in the hips, knees, and ankles. Improved mobility can lead to increased performance in other workouts and activities, as well as a lower chance of injury. Squats also assist to enhance balance and coordination, making them an important part of any training regimen. Whether you're an athlete wanting to better your performance or just want to increase your general fitness, including squats into your training regimen may bring a variety of benefits. So the next time you're at the gym, remember to incorporate this effective workout into your routine. Push-ups are a basic bodyweight exercise that works the chest, shoulders, and triceps. They are a great technique to increase upper body strength and endurance without using any equipment. To complete a push-up, begin in a plank posture with your hands shoulder width apart. Fingers point forward. Then lower your body by bending your elbows until your chest reaches the ground. Keep your core engaged and your body straight from head to heels. Finally, push through your palms to go back to the beginning position. Push-ups may be tweaked to accommodate varying fitness levels. Beginners can begin with wall push-ups or knee push-ups, while more skilled folks can add incline push-ups or decline push-ups to enhance the difficulty. The deadlift is a complex exercise that benefits almost every muscle group in the body. It is especially good in strengthening the back, legs, and core. To start a deadlift, stand with your feet hip-width apart and a barbell or dumbbell in front of you. Then bend at your hips and lower your body until you can hold the weight with an overhand grasp that is little wider than shoulder width apart. Keep your back straight, core engaged, and shoulders pushed back. Lift the weight off the ground while simultaneously stretching your hips and knees. Lower the weight back to the ground by reversing the action while retaining control. Deadlifts are a difficult workout that requires appropriate form and technique to prevent injury. It is important to begin with a weight that you can easily bear and progressively raise the weight as you gain stronger. Looking for high-quality supplements backed by Dr. Andrew Huberman himself? Check out the links in the description below and subscribe and hit the bell icon if you've learned anything new or anything of value.